Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use so that in sentences. When we want to state a negative purpose, we often use so that in the middle of the sentence. So have a look at the sentence example. I have started exercising so that I don't get too unhealthy. So unhealthy is seen as something negative. So I am saying that I have started exercising. Why? So that I don't get too unhealthy. So perhaps I am now overweight and I feel that I am not healthy. I need to start exercising before I become too unhealthy, because that is something negative. Leaving out that doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. So have a look at this sentence example. I have started exercising so I don't get too unhealthy. That sentence means exactly the same as sentence 1. I simply left out the word that. But this sentence means the exact same thing. There is still a negative purpose. Too unhealthy. We can also use so that with can or could. Remember that could is often used as the past tense of can. So have a look at sentence 1. I have started exercising so that I can live a healthier lifestyle. So here I used so that with the word can. So here this sentence is telling me that I have started exercising. Why did I do that? So I can live a healthier lifestyle. 2. I started exercising so that I could run the marathon last year. So this sentence is in the past tense. Hence I used the word could. So I said I started exercising so that I could run the marathon last year. So there was a reason for me starting to exercise, so that I could run a marathon. If I didn't start exercising, I would have never been able to run that marathon. Excellent job using so that in sentences. Well done. Goodbye.